breaking news coming in. The Delhi IGI Airport has issued a fresh statement on the major ATC glitch that was reported yesterday. The airport said that the technical issue which affected the automatic message system switching system that supports the air traffic control flight planning process is gradually improving. The airline operations at the Delhi airport are returning to normal, and all concerned authorities are working diligently to minimize any inconvenience caused to the passengers. And they've also advised the passengers to stay in touch with the airlines for the latest flight update. The operations are slowly getting on its pace, and major crisis after the systems in ATC had faced a technical snag, and the automatic message switching system is what that had faced the snag in the ATC planning process. Chandrakala joins me live for more details on this. Chandrakala, now what we are seeing is that there is a gradual resumption of proper working conditions in the Delhi airport, with the airlines also asked to somewhere connect with the passengers in order to get them with any details if there is a delay in the flights. But everything seems to be coming back to normal for the Delhi airport.
Yes, absolutely. So yesterday it was a chaotic situation for a lot of such passengers. We have seen, both domestic flights and international flights were delayed. Of course, they were at the parking bay and they were not allowed to take off. The fact of the matter is, after a concerted efforts by the technical team, now this particular issue, of course, the technical snag that was reported in automatic message switching system, which controls the air traffic data, basically, is now sorted. The fact that now resumption, of course, it's back to normalcy. Airlines is gradually improving. Airline operations at Delhi airport are returning to normal, and all passengers are still advised to be in touch with the airlines. Well, concerns still remain serious, because this is a technical issue which has been reported in Delhi airport. It's one of the largest international airport, and many such airlines, SpiceJet, Indigo, many international flights were affected, when a lot of international passengers were also being affected. Many, of course, domestic flights were also impacted. Now, of course, it's back to normalcy. Airlines have resumed. It's basically, if we talk about the ATC, the air traffic control system, it's a service which actually assist and manage the aircraft for the safe landing. How to take off, how and when to land is something. It's a very, very crucial system which faced technical snag. Finally, after a concerted efforts by the technical team, now it has been sorted. Everything is back to normalcy, but yet the passengers are being advised to keep in touch with the airlines. Over to you,
Chandrakala. Thank you for giving us those details of that story. Now shifting